Start with the name of great Almighty Allah. Uh, I, Dr. Sajad Ali, working as an assistant professor at the Department of Civil Engineering, Mehran University of Engineering and Technology, Shahid Zulfikar Ali Bhutto Campus, Khairpur, Miras, Pakistan. Today, I would like to present our experimental work regarding the recycling of ceramic tile and marble powder waste in concrete production. Regarding the brief introduction, the recycling the waste produced from the construction industry or substitution for the materials are the techniques that can be followed to fulfill the purpose of limiting the use of constituent natural materials of concrete. Around the globe, the 3R concept, reduce, reuse, and recycle, is being appreciated, which encourage the society to use recyclable materials more and more. Reviewing the natural of the material, Reviewing the nature of the material, marble and ceramic tile actually can be said as a recyclable material. They are a strong solid waste having compact unit structure, should serve the purpose of recycling. Advantages of recycling includes protection of natural resources, energy preservation, reduction in amount of the pollutant waste, economically favorable, and investment for the future. What is waste marble? Waste marble is one of the world's largest yield of the natural stone, include the marble, which is 50% of the total yield of the natural stone around the globe. And particularly in Pakistan, the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, it is a province, possesses the huge marble reservoirs. 20 to 30% of marble blocks converts into the powder or dust throughout its processing. This waste on interaction with the soil affects the soil properties and alters it negatively by making the land burden. And what is the ceramic tile? During the ceramic tile production, studies have shown that about 30% of material turns into the waste, and currently they are not beneficially utilized. And particularly, construction and demolition waste contributes the highest percentage of waste worldwide, around 75%. If the tile aggregates are replaced with the coarse aggregates in concrete, yields very useful results, reduces pollution, and fits economically as well in construction industry. So this is a picture were taken while collecting the waste tile material from the sites. This is locally available industry in Pakistan. So this is a literature review which is already available, and there are so many research were conducted on the waste marble and waste marble dust and on the tile waste. But there is no any research were reported which use on the combination of these two materials. In Pakistan in 2019, a research was conducted which shows that the 10% is an optimum replacement. And in India in 2019, a research was conducted which also shows the 10% marble dust is an optimum. And a research in 2018 were conducted in United Kingdom which shows also the good strength performances with the waste materials. And a research in 2018 in South Africa were also reported the waste materials can be utilized, and it has a good impact on the concrete strength. And another research in India reported in 2017, which also shows the 10% replacement is also an optimum. And last but never the least, in another research from the Nigeria in 2016 were also reported, which also shows the 10% replacement. So based on the previous research, this study was designed, and what is the problem? And from the previous research, the best performance of the marble powder being used as a partial replacement of cement was declared at the 10% replacement, while that of the ceramic tile waste as a coarse aggregate replacement is up to 30%. This must be excite one to try these combination and see how the works out and find out their best performance in terms of compressive strength of the concrete as well as the physical properties of the materials. So what on the basis of the literature review and problem statement, the aims and objects were designed. The aim of this study is to achieve the sustainable and green concrete using the waste materials like marble and tile. Objectives to evaluate the physical properties of materials such as specific gravity, water absorption, bulk density, sieve analysis, and object 2 to determine the workability and compressive strength of concrete with and without marble. And the third, to recommend suitable percentage replacement of the tile waste with marble powder. Materials, these materials were used during the experimental work: cement, fine aggregate, coarse aggregates, marble powder, ceramic tile as a coarse aggregate, and the water. These are the snapshots were taken during the experimental works. You can see these are the tile waste, which is prepared like an coarse aggregate. Equipment used, these equipments were used during the experimental work: cylinders of size 150 mm in dia and 300 mm in length, concrete mixer, slump cone, weight balance, hammer, electric vibrator, sieves, oven, compressive test machine. These some snapshots were taken while mixing of the concrete and preparation of conducting the slump cone test. This is the oven dry for use, and this is the compression machine. Methodology. Based on the literature review, initially we decide to combine these two waste materials: preparation of research strategy and the selection and testing of suitable materials for the development strategy, and then the preparation of samples and just put in the water for designated period of time, like in a curing. So this is a flow chart: selection of material, physical properties of material, concrete mixing, 1 ratio, 1.5 and 3 ratio were used with a water cement ratio of 0.5. The fresh mix property were taken as a workability, and then the concrete samples were cured for 7 and 28 days. And based on these, the compressive strength tests were conducted at the day of 7 and 28 days. These are the methodology details, and in this study, we total prepared around. Here you can see there are some coding: C1, C2, C3, and C4. So C1 represents the control mix, means without any waste material, which can compare with the recyclable materials. C2 represents the 10% marble powder. In this study, we fixed the marble powder as a 10% replacement. Then we vary the ceramic tile waste by 10%, 20%, and 30%. And the three samples were prepared. In total, 12 samples at 7 days and 12 samples at 28 days were tested. So you can see these are some snapshots during the lab work, and these are cylinders were casted. These are some results of sieve analysis. According to the British standards, these tests were conducted, and sieve analysis of fine aggregate found quite good within the range of 2.6 to 3.5. The results of our fine aggregate is 3.33. This is fineness modulus. These are the sieve analysis results of coarse aggregates which were used in this study, which were also found within the range. And these are some snapshots while during the sieve analysis. These tests were conducted as a specific gravity test, and the specific gravity of coarse aggregate was found 2.23, and the specific gravity of ceramic tile was found in 1.90. So it shows that the specific gravity of ceramic tile coarse aggregate is lower than the actual coarse aggregate, and which reflect that we can also produce the lightweight concrete with the ceramic tile. This is some snapshots of water absorption test. So here you can see the results of coarse aggregate is 9 water absorption, but in ceramic tile, the water absorption is quite higher as compared to the natural aggregate, which is 12. These are results of bulk density of aggregates. Here you can see the ceramic tile coarse aggregate bulk density is 1320, and the actual natural coarse aggregate is 1415, and the fine aggregate 1672. And these are results of fresh concrete. These are the results of workability, which were conducted with the help of slump cone method. You can see here the control mix. Control mix means without any waste, which shows the slump value is 60 mm. And C1 means the marble powder 10% and 10% ceramic tile, which shows the 50 mm slump. And when we prepare a concrete with a 10% marble powder and 20% ceramic tile, which gives the 40 mm slump. And when we prepare the 10% marble plus 30% ceramic tile, which gives 30% slump value, it shows that when we increase the amount of waste material, which decreases the slump value, because when we use the waste material, it absorbs the more water which is present in the mix. Due to that, the slump value is going to be decreased. These are some results in the graphical form. You can see here in y-axis the slump value, and in x-axis there are some different concrete mixes. Control mix without any waste, and then the 10 plus 10, 10% marble powder and 10% ceramic tile, 10% marble powder and 20% ceramic tile, and 10% marble powder and 30% ceramic tile. It shows that the workability is going to be decreased when we increase the amount of waste. These are some results of density, and density is almost near to the control mix. Here you can see the C1 is 2462, and C2 is 2485, and C3 2462, and C4 is 2450. It's nearby to the control mixes. These are some snapshots while taking the weight of the samples. So these are the results, main results of the compressive strength test. C1 without any waste gives the compressive strength at the age of 7 days 18.832 megapascal. C2 17.72 megapascal. C3 16.91 megapascal. C4 17.66 megapascal. At the 7 days or the initial age of curing, and it shows the strength is going to be decreased as compared to the control mix. But at the age of 28 days, sorry. So these are some tests, some snapshots during the compressive strength test. So this result shows when we increase the amount of, when we increase the duration of curing, might be it gives the, it will give the good strength. In this study, the effect of using marble powder and ceramic tile waste on properties of concrete were studied, and it can be concluded that the compressive strength of concrete with replacement is approximately same as to the conventional concrete. So the workability of concrete with replacement improves its increasing ratio of the replacement, but compressive strength going to be decreased, but not at a huge amount. Partially substituted concrete at the ratio of 10 plus 10 substitution performance better than other replacement usage. So this study also recommended that 10% marble powder and 10% ceramic tile as an optimum. So the water absorption as well as the specific gravity values of ceramic tile are lower than the conventional coarse aggregate. So these are some recommendations. Though through the observations, through the experimental observations or based on the results, this study recommended, it can be recommended that the marble powder waste as well as ceramic tile waste can be utilized in concrete. Furthermore, considering the best results, it can be transparated that the 10 plus 10 means the 10% marble powder and 10% ceramic tile replacement is the recommended ratio if obtained for the combination. So these are few references. So thank you very much.